Hello, our dear customers. Today I will show you how to use the ultrasonic humidifier. But first let's talk about the product. So we can get user manual, remote control, power cord, you can choose it according to your country, and measure cup. The humidifier has 500 milliliters capacity, a timer mode, 7 different backlights. It's made of PP plus ABS material, which will protect it from damage, air outlet, and some rubber, which protect your surface. Plug in and power on the device. Add some water up until the indicated water line, approximately 400 milliliters. Also we can add essential oil, 1 or 2 drops, which will give off a natural aroma, and cover the lid. So let's see how it works. Turn on the light. The humidifier has 7 different backlights. You can choose between dim or bright colors or set them on. If you press the second time, you set them on. If you press the third time, you can choose between dim or bright color. If you press the mist, you turn on our humidifier. If you press the second time, we turn on 10 seconds timer mode with 10 seconds intermittent signal lights. If you press one more time, you turn on 2 hours timer mode. It will work the same. So, and one more time, it's for 4 hours. Let's open the lid and see what we have. Okay, let's see how it uses our remote control. We can use it at distance 6 meters. Our product has 1 year's guarantee, and if you get the damaged device, you can return it within 15 days. We're responsible for our product and help you to solve some problem.